Hi, this is Sarah Prezioso. This is EDU 119, Week 2. You'll notice my background's a little bit different today. I'm recording from home. Today, where last week you got a view of my office. So I hope this finds you well. I just wanted to send you a quick video to kind of get you ready for Week 2. That will start, typically my weeks are going to start on Mondays. And so this video is just to kind of give you an update about kind of what's coming on. My screen right now is in student mode, so this should look very similar to what your course looks like when you log in. Again, my instructor information is here in case you ever need to get in touch with me. Today is a holiday, which is why you're getting your video from my house. But typically I'm on campus every day, and this is the phone number you can call me at. And then this is email in my office in case you want to come by and visit. If you haven't completed it already, make sure that you've completed this enrollment verification. This will close on the 21st at midnight, and if you have not completed it by then, you will be withdrawn from the course because again, that verifies attendance. So after you've completed that, you should be able to access everything, including the syllabus. If you haven't accessed this yet, you'll see it says that you can't access that. If you have not accessed that, make sure that you print that and just keep it handy for different due dates and things like that over the semester. It also gives you your reading, which will also be included in your weekly assignments, but it's just a nice helpful tool to have. These are some resources that you will be using throughout the semester. These are here just as an additional link. They will also be linked in on your weekly assignments. I'm not going to review week 1 because I did that one last week, and it's due tomorrow at midnight. So what I did want to do is give you a chance to take a look at week 2. If you'll notice, you have 2 items you have to complete this week. One is a timeline activity and the other one's an objective observation video. So just to give you an idea of actually what needs to be completed for those 2 assignments. This is your Chapter 2 lecture notes. Those come right out of Chapter 2 in your textbook, highlighting some key points. Lecture notes do not include every word out of that chapter. You should be reading that on your own. But it does include some highlights and things like that. So your timeline activity is going to be based on your reading in Chapter 2. So I'm going to actually open this for you so we can take a look at that, just so you have an idea what to do. Click here to begin your timeline link, and then if you follow these directions, you should be able to create a timeline of important people, events related to early childhood education. Make sure you include at least 10 things on that timeline and that you update your PDF when you're finished. Please email me if you've got any questions about that. I'm going to go back and we're going to look at that observation. For your objective observation, this is the second item that you'll have to complete for this week. If you click on this link, this is actually the video link. You're going to, I would say, watch the video several times. Here it says at least twice. I would say watch it as many times as you need to. Objective observations typically are very challenging for people because they want to write kind of their opinions or a subjective thing. You're really looking for straight facts of what you're observing in this video. And I'm really just making sure that you really understand how to complete an objective observation. That's something that you will have to do in pretty much every early childhood course, so make sure that you get a lot of practice with that. And again, it's 10 objective statements about the child's behavior, the language use, and the interactions. This is not what color their shirt is or how cute you think they are. This is really about objectively identifying behavior, language use, interactions. Okay, so again, email me if you have any questions about that. Clicking back for you. And you'll notice that, again, each week I have due dates listed, and they're always due by midnight. So make sure that you have submitted by then. The first couple weeks I'll have available. Your due dates will just remain open even after they are due. What will happen probably starting on week 4 or 5 is your link here will actually disappear after the due date, so make sure that you have submitted that. And I hope you have a great week. Contact me if you have any questions. Thanks.